going on? Today, we're at a great community. By the way, my name is Eric Banks, your real estate agent. And today I have a wonderful house to show you guys. It's out here in 1247 Tucker River Drive in Rochelle, Texas, a part of the Sierra Vista community. And guys, I cannot say more than enough about this area. There's a lot of development like crazy for commercial, for residential. So make sure that you suits all of your needs for you and your family. But I got this house back here that's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. So enough talking, let's go check it out. All right, so that sums it up for the home tour. Now guys, this area is a wonderful place. They have pools, they have a lot of different amenities for you and your family. So if you know anyone that may be interested, or yourself that's interested in moving out to the Rocheron area, definitely contact me, Eric Banks, or also my team under the Migrant Professional team will be able to accommodate your real estate needs. But again, drop some comments below. I will love to hear some of the comments that you have, some of the feedback that you guys have. Also, like this video. This also helps with the algorithm with YouTube, and the great thing about this is it's free to use. So until meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.